Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a food and drinks quiz and its result page using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. In order to create our food quiz, I have created a dummy WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress website to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can create a quick disposable WordPress website in no time. So let's get started. Okay, so I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install the QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Alright, so now let's start by creating the quiz. Number 1 is to hover over QSM and then click on Quizzes or Surveys. And once you have that done, the next step is, once you click on Create a Quiz or Survey, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and then click on Next. Number 3. On Quiz Setting, we get an option to set up our quiz initially. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. Alright, so you could fix a set time limit to your quizzes. You could also select if you want only logged in users to be able to fill the form. Now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't use any add-ons, so let's just click on Create a Quiz. Alright, so the last step is now here comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for the food and drinks quiz. Okay, so let's enter the questions for this quiz. Let's start with the first one, to know about the user's knowledge for foods and drinks. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose a type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple choice question type here and writing 3 choices and giving them points also to evaluate the quiz. And if you want, you can also mark the question as required, so that this question cannot be skipped. And then once you're happy with that, click on Save Question. Alright, so now since our first question is saved, let's create a second question on this same page. Alright, for the next question, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question and writing choices with perspective points. Now, once you've filled in the question, then click on Save Question. Okay, now let's create a third question and repeat the process as previously. Alright, so once you are done with that, click on Save the Question. Again, let's create fourth question. Save the question. Finally, the last question. And then click on Save Question. Now, all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, and then let's select the field type as a small open answer and label it as Name. Let's select the Use For section and select Name there. Let's add another contact field to take the respective date. Let's select the field type as Date and label it as Date. Okay, so now let's select the Used For section and select Business there. And then let's click on the Save Contact field. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. Here, you can set conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Here, I am not setting any conditions for this quiz. Now we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates. I am taking the username and a total point score variables to put in my message. To beautify my result page, I am also uploading the image as you can see here. As this is the food and drinks quiz based on scores, keep this question answer variable as it is so that users can see the correct answers. Lastly, save the result page changes here. Now let's preview our food quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the quiz successfully with all the questions, and it's working wonderfully. Also, you can see the timer running on the rightmost bottom of the page. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.